Howdy folks, welcome back to Planet Daryl, and today I'm just gonna do a quick video to show how do you pair this DJI Mic 2 with the Samsung S22 Ultra or any Samsung Android phones for that matter. Do check whether, because I do believe that most of the Samsung phones uses the same camera app, which is from Samsung itself. Right, so one of the key things that is important to note is that you need to be using the Pro Video Mode option on the camera app. Right, so I'll do a quick guide later at the end of this video after a comparison of the audio to show you how to do the pairing and where to find the Pro Video Mode and how do you change the settings to connect to this DJI Mic 2. Alright, so right now it's just recording on the Samsung S22 Ultra on itself. The mic is not on, so I just want to test how's the audio quality like right now directly from the Samsung S22 Ultra. As I move to the back a little bit, in fact let me go all the way to the wall and to showcase how's the audio quality like from this distance. I'm speaking the same volume and I'm not speaking any louder, but just wanted to show you guys the audio quality in that sense. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So now without further ado, let's connect up this baby and see how the audio quality is like. Now very simple, all I have to do is turn this on, and now it's on. You can see the Bluetooth, and for the first time to pair you need to press the top pairing mode a few seconds until this blinks, and then go to your Bluetooth settings to connect. Now we've connected to the DJI Mic 2 and you can see I can see the audio levels there. So yeah, it's paired. I'm just gonna alright, so this works, okay, but bear in mind again, you need to be in the Pro Video mode. Alright, so I'm just gonna step back a little bit and see how the audio quality is like. Turn my back around the camera. It should work because we are in very close proximity. So here my back is once again behind against the wall. So how the audio quality is like coming directly from the DJI Mic 2 connected to the Samsung S22 Ultra via Bluetooth. Right, so once again this is recorded using the Pro Video mode on the Samsung camera default app built into the Samsung S22 Ultra. And I believe most of the newer models from Samsung, whether it's the A series or the foldables as well, they should be using this same camera app, so it should work the same. So let me quickly go into the settings. I'm gonna record from the screen record rather, and hopefully it looks okay without too much audio distortion, changing settings and all that. Well, if it does, I do apologize, but hey, hopefully this will be useful information to some of other users who bought the DJI Pocket 3 creator combo and owns a Samsung or Android phone and basically uses the camera app, the default camera app. I believe there could be other apps that you can utilize this as well, which means you need to change the audio source, which only the Pro Video mode allows you to. The normal video mode, you can't change the audio source, so it doesn't work. So you need to be in the Pro Video mode. All right, so now let me quickly go and show you guys how this is done. So just to go through, how do we use the DJI Mic 2 with the Samsung S22 Ultra or any Samsung phone for that matter, using the, well, maybe not the lower tier ones, but I think most of them are using the same camera app. So yeah, so from here you have to head into Pro mode. If you don't see the Pro mode video here, the Pro Video, sorry, you go to more and it should be here, and you can drag it to be placed on this selection bar here. So actually on Pro Video mode. Right, so right now my DJI Mic 2 is not turned on. but as you can see from the screen, right at the top there's a mic option. So from here you have click mic. You can change from front, rear, or omnidirection, and as you can see the top second one here, you have Bluetooth. So this is the one that we need to, once we connect to the DJI Mic 2, this should be available, and you just turn it on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the DJI Mic 2, right? And as you can see, the selection of Bluetooth is available now. So all I have to do is click connected. So right now I believe the audio is coming from the DJI Mic 2 as well, right? So this is how it sounds like just doing the pairing. Now of course, do take note that this is a pro video mode, so you need to tweak or play around with the settings to get the right quality of the video that you want out of it. All right, so it's not going to work like the normal video mode where you just can point and shoot and that's about it. Here you need to tinker with it a little bit to make sure the exposure and everything is as per your scene, and then it will work well. Right, so that is how you get the DJI Mic 2 to work with the Samsung Android phones. All right.